How to change Reddit email address. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up Reddit, and once you do that, you want to click on the avatar at the top right, then click on settings at the bottom. And here from the general section, click on account settings and then click on update email address from the basic settings section. And here you will be able to change your email address by entering the new email address right here and then entering your Reddit password right here. And once you're done, click on the save button at the bottom right corner of your screen to save the changes. You might get a confirmation email on your new email address. Just confirm it and you will be good to go. It's that easy and simple. So that was it for this video. That's how you can change and update the email address on Reddit. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.